Ooh, baby! That was good. Yes guys, welcome back to the channel. We are here at Queensway Track for a race specific workout. So we are 8 days away from Podium 5k, and on the program is 5 by a K with 400 meters recovery. And again, that's going to be jogged in around 3 minutes, I think. So really slow, really light. The pace prescribed is sub 3 minutes really. The aim for Podium is to go under 15 minutes again. So yeah, we want to nail the session and then cut down if we're feeling good. Weapon of choice today is the Hoka Rocket X2. I wore these for my recent workout, 10 by a K. They felt good, so time to put them to the test at race pace. See how we get on. Hope you guys enjoy. If you do, drop it a like, subscribe, come back for more. Let's go. Down, 4 to go.
That was quick.
That felt all right.
One more.
2:48 on this one, hold me to it, yeah?
Okay.
Ooh, baby! That was good. We'll have to check that last rep. It was close.
2:48.
It was close. I feel good after that. I think on my watch it was a cut down of 2 seconds each K. Felt controlled. Big things for Podium. Course record. £5 prize money.
Ooh, that'd be nice, wouldn't it?
Yeah, like it's gonna fucking happen then.
Maybe.
One can dream. No, it's a good session. We'll go chill out and go through the splits. Really good session. Great kind of confidence builder going into Podium 5k. Just 8 days away now. Splits. The important things. We did 2:57, 55, 52, 49, and then we hit 2:48 on the last one. The rest was just under 3 minutes or kind of 400 meters. So yeah, pretty happy with that. Just got to take that and go run quick in Podium really, and run sub 15 again. Nice and easy. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good shit. Again, I'm a bit undecided what shoes to race in. Hoka Rocket X2s, Cloud Boom Echo 3s, or if you've got another suggestion, let me know down in the comments. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.